Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with properties online, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting a reliable online property listing platform. Create an account on the chosen platform. Ensure your profile is complete with relevant information. Use a clear and professional profile picture. Search for properties using filters that match your preferences. Narrow down your search by defining location, price range, and property type. Explore property listings that catch your interest. Read the detailed descriptions provided for each property. Examine the photos carefully to assess the property condition. Check for virtual tours or videos that may be available. Take note of any unique features or amenities highlighted in the listing. Reach out to property owners or agents through the provided contact information. Prepare a list of questions you want to ask about the property. Inquire about the property's history and any recent renovations. Ask about the terms of sale or lease and any associated fees. Request additional photos or documents if needed. Schedule a viewing if the property meets your criteria. Visit the property at the agreed time to assess it in person. Take detailed notes during your visit for future reference. Consider the neighborhood and surrounding amenities. Compare multiple properties to evaluate your options. After viewing, reflect on your top choices. Follow up with any additional questions after your visit. Prepare to make an offer if you find a suitable property. Be ready to negotiate terms with the seller or agent. Once an agreement is reached, carefully review all documents involved. Complete the necessary paperwork to finalize the property connection. Stay engaged with your agent for any further assistance needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.